Hello and welcome to We Dared Chemistry. Today, we're diving into the fascinating topic of the brand new series on Spectral Series Fun Series Lecture 6. Fun Series, NL equals 5. The series was first observed during the year 1924 by August Harman Fund. Thus, the series is named after him. Fun series is displayed when electron transition takes place from higher energy states, NH equals 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, to NL equals 5 energy state. All the wavelength of Fun series falls in infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Refer to the table below for various wavelengths associated with spectral lines. Energy level, N. Wavelength, lambda in Nm in vacuum. Infinity. 2279, 10. 3039, 9. 3297, 8. 3741, 7. 4654, 6. 7460. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to We Dared Chemistry for more educational content. See you in the next video.